zoom, zoom, vroom, vroom, zoom, zoom, vroom, vroom, zoom, zoom, vroom, vroom, zoom, zoom. Hi there, everybody. My name's Ethan. You may have remembered me from the Panda Bee series film, but I tried to make a second episode, but it didn't work out that well. And please tell me if you think that my episodes are too short, because this one will be much longer. Plus, my recorder said she thought it was too long. So, let's get another thing. Okay, ready? So, these are my stuffed animals. This guy's name is Xiaochar. You can pronounce, you can call him Small Char. Okay, because Xiao means small. And this is Da Char. Da means big. So you can call him Big Char. And this is Chinese New Year dog. This is Menti. I found him at Florida Lake Pond. So this is Meanie. So we needed to block your camera for a sec. Video recorder, please do not turn off the camera again. This stuffed animal's name is Meanie. Hi, everybody. Oh no, I'm a strawberry. You're wearing your strawberry dress. Oh, thanks. Poop. A strawberry cake stinks. Pee. Thanks for the strawberry drink. You're welcome. Now I need to clean my butt. Yeah. Ah! This is chocolate and vanilla ice cream. His favorite spot is the trash can. Okay, he said trash can. Trash can. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Trash can? Yay! Oops. Are you okay over there? Just a quick sec. Wee-oo. Surgery for 20 minutes. Ow, 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 ow. Good, he's good. Okay. Ready? This is popcorn. Yum, yum, yum. You can see she's a popcorn bag. Xiaochar, I told you to not do that. Oopsie. Victory! Okay, ready? These are the top shelves. And their names are not top shelf. Okay, ready? Let's get to some things. Video recorder, please do not turn off the camera again. Okay? Ready? So, sorry we blocked you again, but we needed to. So, picture! Yeah. Let's take a picture of you. Cool. Pat a cake, bakers. Oh, that's my watch alarm. Yeah. Pat a cake, what's that, Ethan? It's my watch alarm. Okay, pat a cake, baker's man. Bake a cake for baby and me. La la la, la la la, la la. My la wee. Scuba, duba, duba. Shuba, nuba, snuba, scuba. You made a mistake. Aww, you also made a mistake. Charlie cute? Okay, let's get some other news. How about let's say, so if you want to leave a like on this video, right now you can, but just telling you it's going to be much longer. So you can pause your video and give a like. So we're giving you 20 seconds if you want to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm sorry that we put it up for that long for people who didn't want to put on a like, but you can still put on a like at the end if you really want to, and you can also subscribe and please give some comments, because if you also want to support Panda Bee, you could give that some comments too. Okay? So now let's get to it. Bushy wanna, Bushy wanna, Bushy wanna, Bushy wanna, Bushy wanna. Uh-oh. Help! Help! Okay, so, block the screen. Video recorder, please do not turn off the screen again, okay? So, now, let's get it with some help! Uh-oh, we don't want the timer to run out. We must save Chinese New Year dog before the timer runs out. And we only have 5 minutes to do that. So just in case, let's make a curse spell. Zoom, 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 zoom. Times 3. Good. Okay. Ready? That means we can restart the timer 3 more times. So don't be worried if we don't catch up. Ready? Everybody needs to pause a little bit. Ready? Wait a sec. Dude, this is cool. Okay. Menti, you can wait here and check on the photo rotation to make sure that the timer doesn't run out. And you can also check if the potion spells run out, okay? Okay, I'll be the one searching for the... That's it! What? What is I searching? Oh, that's it! Yeah, it's reflecting 3 times. That means we're searching for magic things. Ready? Let's see, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, the timer's running already. How about let's go out this door over here. Oh, a puzzle. Complete the puzzle to go downstairs. Okay. So I guess we're supposed to complete the puzzle to go downstairs. But whatever. I kind of messed up with the video, but let's do it, okay? But if you don't think I messed up with the video, then you can put some comments up down low. But right now, these pieces are getting very close. Let's see. Oh, geez, I forgot the first time I saw it. Wasn't it supposed to go like this? Then that. Oh, no, it doesn't fit. Yeah, that one fit. No, this one fits. this. Oh, I didn't do it. How about let's do this on the code of the key. Wait, that's it. We can use the necklace to give us clues. First, we must fight it a few times. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, ready? So we got the necklace. It's going to give us three good clues. Ready? Our first clue was to do this. And our second clue was to do that. And our last clue was to do this. Maybe it's because we need to put here and there and I'm trying to do it. Maybe we might need to put one here and there and there and there and there and there. We did it! Everybody, look at it! Isn't that cool? Now let's see. Oh, another clue. Put it on the cat thing. Okay. Okay, it's scanned it. Now we're free to go downstairs. Didn't we remember those things? Wait. This is not the right way. Oopsies, the thing locked again. Now we'll have to redo it. Well, luckily I remembered it. So, sorry we messed up again, but if you think we didn't mess up, please tell me, okay? Ready, steady, so let's go. And this was not what I was planning in the video, but whatever. Let's give it a big shot. What was it like? I remember it was like this. Yeah, can we do that? Yeah, got it. We do that. Oh, I did it again. Ready? Look at it. Ready? Let's go. Let's go do something else. Level 1. That's cool. So sorry we have to interrupt with your thing, but okay, we're back. So this is level 1. Ready? And let's pick it up. And then, so it's level 1. Let's walk in. So we need to look for the checker piece, the pieces. Let's see where they were, where they are. I mean, is it over here? Maybe the bathtub. Nope. The toolbox. Is there a checker piece in here? Anybody see a checker piece? Oh no. Maybe you can in the sink? Nope. Possibly I didn't check the toilet. Oh, it's not open. And there's a checker piece on the cap. And there's another piece on the toilet roll. I bet that's all because level 1's supposed to be the easiest level. Oh, that's level 3. We're supposed to follow the levels in order. Level 2. Oh, that means it's a trickster level. Let's see. Possibly a lamp. On top, the bottom. Oh, yeah. Wait, I remember the painting wall was a good hiding place. Yeah. Everything, but it's a trickster level, so there could be some things hiding in places that you wouldn't expect. Like the back of the door that we opened. That was opened. Oh, there is one. Cool. So, or the top of something that's taller than me. Oh, that's it. Up here. A gold painted ball where my dad fits his college drops in. That's weird. Let's get back to it. Wait, I forgot. We must check the animal report room. Right, let's go back into it. Oh no, time is running. We must go back. We remember seeing level 3 here, right? Level 3 needs to be harder. It could be a little harder than it could be like the trickster level we did. So the direction it goes in, so it hops over the cheese trays, and yeah, got it. Well, I know it should be somewhere hidden in the books. That's it. My favorite TV show to watch when I was still little. Well, maybe it. My piece of artwork I did. Oh, it's glowing. Making dots everywhere. So that means these dots could lead to another thing. I think well, windows are always good hiding spots. So, oh, there's one over here. I love reading this book. What? Oh, another thing. Well, that was just a picture book. No words in it. Just pictures in Chinese words. I think this was all of it. Reporter, was this all of it? Okay, let's go. To level 4. Warning, if you don't like to look at makeup, please skip this part till I say ready. Okay? Got it? Oh no, I forgot. Let's see. Okay, makeup result. Please don't look at makeup. Okay? Ship was under here. So, well, it shouldn't be so easy that something needs to be camouflaged. Oh, that's it. Something should be camouflaged. No? That's it. My mom's red suitcase has the red chip on it. Was there something under here? No. And another red chip? Reporter, do you think this is all? Wait, I see something red on that brown table. Way on the other side. There could be some more. We're getting rich. Let's see how much chips we've collected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I forgot. Let's stack them in the pile instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oopsies, 14, 15, 16. You've got 16 here so far. Good. Well, I didn't know that I could do that, but let's go back. Wait, something? I think I saw something white in that thing. Do you think it's a poker chip? And my reporter nods. So this could be one. It's not, it's like a white layer. It's not falling down because it's too big. Let's flip it off. It came right out. These chips are getting hard to hold. Maybe we could use, we could look for something to hold it. Was there something in my whole room that could have held these things? Can you say something? Oh, that's it. The pretend telephone booth. Let's open it. Oh no, Chinese New Year is still trapped. Ready? Chinese New Year, we've collected most of the chips already. Stupid puzzle pieces, doing everything. Do you know what they say? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, that's it. Oh no, it's half a half. We need to go. Ready? Ready? Let's get back to business. Oh, now it would be hard to put the can on. So let's go. Ready? Everybody, sorry we need to block the screen, but this acting includes going outside for a little while, okay? So we got back to the levels. Yeah. Do everybody say yes or no if you think that we've completed this? Okay, my reporter nods. Wait, I saw a chip here, but another chip there, which my reporter pointed, and another chip here, and another chip here. Funny looking coin flip. Let's see what it leads us to. What we could do before. More money? Let's get it around. Skidadoo. Whatever. Skidadoo. Go down there. Which coin should we use? The biggest coin should work out because it has a head and a tail. I think it's a quarter. Pointing that direction up. Plus, this one says level 5 too. Good. Ready? We're walking up. Let's see what we've got. There's lots of rooms. Maybe some are hidden in each room. I think one was, so it needs to be hidden here. Does the door have them in? Nope. The bathroom must have them. Yeah, 2 of them. This used to be my dad's room, but now it's a guest room for people to sleep in. Other grown-ups. Another one, cool. barbecue grill looks so far. Those nasty bunnies. There's a squirrel in my backyard right now. Luckily, this act, oopsies, I can't tell you the whole act, so whatever. So, the nasty looking squirrel is bad. He's eating all of it. Okay, so let's take a look. Stuck in a binder. Let's look at it. The next level is downstairs. Oh. That was a great clue. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, this was level 5. Oh, that's what the puzzle was for. We needed to go downstairs. Let's solve the puzzle again because we were already out. So let's go. Ready? This is a little annoying. Look, we completed the puzzle again. Now, let's put it onto here. Fit. Let's get some clothes. They're on the stairs. Some are on the stairs. Okay, let's go. Wait. I think I see another one. Wait, we can ask the kitty. Kitty, could we please, could you please keep this door unlocked for 3 more minutes? Meow. Okay, that means okay. Let's go. So let's go down all the way to here. Oh, there's another one here. And we remember that there were on the stairs next. One's over here. Oh no! Oh, level 6. That's what it was. Ready? Another one is up here. Well, if it was on top of the piano book, then the next one needs to be in the piano. Oh, it wants us to play the song to unlock this thing. So there's probably another chip in here. I'll play it. Yeah. Reporter? Do you see it? Oh, yeah. Okay.
The video's getting too long.
There's
Okay.
one over here. There's one over here. Let's look. Oopsie! Danger zone. This is the end of level 6. We must go to level 7 quickly. We're also running out of time. Mommy's one's clapped. There's one and one over there. And I remember, wait, there's some more. And let's see. Oh, one over there. Is there any more? Doesn't look like mine anymore. Okay, ready, let's go. Dealer? Cool. It's pointing that way, so that means another chip is that direction in our next level. Oh, level 8. Another one was on this drying rack. On top of the toilet rack? On top of this mini trash barrel? That's weird. Oh, oopsies, I forgot. Now it's the part where we get to go outside. Level 9. Ready? Level 9 is we must run back in from the same door. In 30 seconds. Ready? The second we step out, the time starts. 1. I mean, the second that both of my reporter steps out too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, back down. 17, 18, 19. That was something. 20, 21, 22. Spider web. We can't get out. Oh, phew. Great. The code. Signed and good. Now we can get out. Oops, it's 25. 26, 27, just in time. Ready? Everybody, we must go to the last level. Reporter hit the last level, so I could get some clues from the reporter. Okay? Ready? Let's go back up. Kitty, did you hold it up for 3 minutes? Oh, there's 30 more seconds. Come up, reporter. It's still open. Okay? Oh no! This level has been cursed. It's the king level. Level 10. Let's go in and see what's happening here. These hiding spots are way more intense than I thought they would be. Reporter? Do you know where the other few are? Thanks for the clues. Ooh. Can I have some more clues? What? What? I got that one. Oopsies, I didn't know where all of the other ones were. What? You think it's over here? I'm remember to like and subscribe. Let me let all of my stuffed animals say bye-bye to you. The top says bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.